Hello students, welcome back to our channel Raj Ocean of Knowledge. Knowledge for everyone. Before watching the video, like, share, comment and subscribe so you never miss any update from our channel. So let's get started with our today's video.
This is part 2 of our series English for Beginners, where I teach you English from scratch and we will work our way up categorically in English language. Today, we will learn about how words starting with different alphabets can be used in sentences. So let's get started. H. H for horse. Horse is spelled as H O R S E. Let's see how the word horse can be used in a sentence. I love to ride horse. Let's move to the next alphabet. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is spelled as I C E C R A M. Let's see how the word ice cream can be used in a sentence. I'll get you some ice cream. Let's move to the next alphabet. J. J for jungle. Jungle is spelled as J U N G L E. Let's see how the word jungle can be used in a sentence. The jungle is full of animals. Let's move to the next alphabet. K. K for kite. Kite is spelled as K I T E. Let's see how the word kite can be used in a sentence. The children were flying kite. Let's move to the next alphabet. L. L for lion. Lion is spelled as L-I-O-N. Let's see how the word lion can be used in a sentence. The lion roared in the distance. Let's move to the next alphabet. M. M for moon. Moon is spelled as M-O-O-N. Let's see how the word moon can be used in a sentence. The moon is shining brightly tonight. Let's move to the next alphabet. N. N for night. Night is spelled as N-I-G-H-T. Let's see how the word night can be used in a sentence. The snow came down during the night.
That's all for our today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Let us know in the comments what topics you want us to make videos about. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.